Let's set up triggers for the GitHub spoke for the required events. The endpoint enables webhooks to connect with your ServiceNow instance. To begin, navigate to Workflow Studio under Process Automation in the All tab. Then select the Integrations tab. Then select Connections. Toggle and enable the inbound connections. Locate the GitHub spoke endpoint and select View Details. For the GitHub external trigger endpoint, select Configure. Next, select the user who can trigger the endpoint. Then we'll select Generate Secret and select Activate. This will also create a generated endpoint URL. Copy both the secret and URL. We'll paste those next in our GitHub spoke. Log into your GitHub account. And under Settings, go to Webhooks. Then select Add Webhooks and paste the generated endpoint URL and secret you created earlier. And then we'll select the content type, application/JSON. Finally, we'll choose which events we'd like to trigger this webhook. When complete, select Add Webhook. The triggers for the GitHub spoke are now set up.